Hello guys, how are you doing? It's your boy Dave, and I just want to run through some websites and show you some of the most viral pictures ever taken. Now, I can't really post videos for some reason. I can only explain videos because um, that will be violating copyrights. Okay, so let's start with pictures. Here we have. I don't know if you saw this dress sometime in 2015. It went it's either blue and black or yellow and gold. So depending on the kind of eyes different people had, they saw this dress to have different colors. All right. There's another alternative of it of a shoe that has different colors. Could be green or cyan, depending on the kind of eyes you had. So people will take this picture and retweet it and ask their friends which color the cloth is, and different people will be looking at the same cloth but saying different things. Okay, so it went viral, and you can find which of the elements of virality that made it go viral. Okay, surprise. All right, maybe information, but surprise. They removed the picture of Harambe. That's a gorilla that was killed for trying to save a child in 2016. I don't know if you remember that. I think the video is still on YouTube. So if you go to YouTube, search for Harambe gorilla, you will see the video. It went viral because they were in a zoo and the child fell into the zoo. All right, into the gorilla's area of the zoo, and then the biggest gorilla in that particular enclosement decided to rush in and protect the child from other gorillas. All right, the child was probably unconscious or something on the ground because the child fell like 10, 15 feet. So, but when the zookeeper came in, the zookeeper took a gun and killed the gorilla. And this gorilla was actually trying to protect the child. The video went viral. Everybody saw that video. Okay. So remember what I told you about one way to go viral is when a video is going viral, you could take that video, all right, and run your commentary on it. Play the video, the first part of the video. Let's say the video is 1 minute long. You play 30 seconds from the video, and then you talk for the next 30 seconds. You put it out on Instagram. If the video is going viral on Facebook, if you drop it on Instagram, it's going to go viral. All right. So that's one way. Then another way is to race and be the first to break it on other social networks. Maybe something is going viral on Twitter. You quickly copy it, screenshot it, and you race to Instagram to be the first to break it there. All right, so look at this one. This one happened in this monkey named Naruto snapped a selfie in 2011 using photographer David Slater's camera. The thing went viral. So let me zoom out a little. Look at what it looks like. The camera was high quality. For some reason, it went viral. Now I have to let you know something though, that some viral videos went viral just because the celebrity has a large following. All right. So at the end of 2019, they launched. Look at this. There was a TV show that is called Mandalorian, and this picture went viral because, of course, the Disney put a lot of money in promoting the video or the what do you call it? The series, the TV series. So of course, one of the pictures went viral. Okay. Back in 2014. This is called the Oscar selfie. Everybody that won Oscars that year, all right? It broke Twitter records and was the first photo to be retweeted more than 2 million times on Twitter. Okay, it temporarily crashed Twitter. The reason it had so much retweets is because of the star power of everybody there. Each person has millions of followers. And the moment they shared it, posted it on their timeline, boom, all their followers started retweeting it and a whole lot of things started happening. Okay? So remember that for you to go viral, you don't have to have this kind of star power, all right? You can always find your own element of virality as long as you put enough thought into creating the content. Look at this one by Obama. They said before that, okay, look at this. Before that, this was the most retweeted photo in the world. It was posted by Barack Obama after he won in 2012, and he just posted 4 more years. All right, as he just posted it, the thing went viral because, of course, he's the president of the US, and then the wife has a lot of following too. So a lot of celebrity photos go viral, but this is Keanu Reeves. In 2009, it sparked a series of Keanu Reeves memes. This guy is the guy that acted the movie Matrix. This is John Wick. Okay, his real name is Keanu Reeves, and it turns out that around that 2009, he doesn't live big. He lives like an average person, low-key life. He doesn't go to the media. He just stays on his own. All right. So when this picture leaked, him comfortably eating in the public, so a lot of people started creating memes around it. So one way to go viral is to do something that people want to create meme around. Okay, some people sit down, take different kind of photo shoots with different kind of faces. All right, so that other people can pick it up and start creating memes around it. Let's look at this. This photo went viral because people obsessed over his giant scarf. Okay, remember element of surprise. You must have surprise. So he had a lot of scarf. Look at how big this scarf is. Look at how big this scarf is. It went viral for some reason. Yeah, remember this one. Remember also in 2012, internet users memed this photo of Michaela from the Summer Olympics. The picture was taken after she got second place, and it went viral because of the not impressed face. In fact, she snapped a picture with Obama with this mouth. All right. So viral. So look at it. This is a prisoner that happens to look so cute. Look at this. In 2015, this hot mugshot went viral on Facebook. The man Jeremy Mix became known as the sexy mugshot guy. When he got out of jail, he became a model. Yes, in fact, companies were trying to sign him while he was still in jail. Yeah, this has gone viral. Like I told you that some people just create pictures just so that it can go viral. This picture was created for that purpose. Now, this picture never gets old because people keep taking this picture and putting different tags on it. The distracted boyfriend meme was a stock photo also taken in 2015, but it didn't go viral until 2017. All right. So why didn't it go viral all up until then? People didn't start sharing it until it got to a certain critical stage. All right, critical number of shares, and it blew viral. This is when they were trying to kill Osama or something. Obama, this is Hillary Clinton, and so on. The reason it went viral because it's a world something. All right, it's a global event. All right, look at this one. I'm just trying to find the ones that you can relate with. Okay, look at this lady. In 2019, the US Women's National Team won the World Cup, and star player Megan Rapinoe's victory pose went viral. Now, remember she had an exchange of words with Trump before going for this. All right, she had an exchange of words with Trump. So that was the build-up to what made it go viral. So let's say, assuming that this picture went viral after she scored and won, what would you have done to take advantage of this? You can see how you can craft this into your marketing, all right? For instance, you can put up an article about her lifestyle. You can go find pictures of all her past victory poses. Craft it into a 1-minute video, different screen slides of her past victory poses. Then towards the ending, you can put your marketing, all right? Or even at the bottom of the video, just put at the bottom. Remember, you have to always, if something you are doing is going to go viral, always remember the call to action. Because if let's say 10 million people see your video and they don't know who you are, then you have a challenge because it becomes vanity metrics. All right, but if 10 million people see your video and there is your Instagram handle or your Twitter handle at the bottom of it, it means that after watching it, they have a way to get back to you. So your Instagram or Twitter handle starts growing. That somehow you start making sales from there. So always tag pictures or videos. Remember that one way you can tag it is to allow the video to play for some seconds before you finally append the handle, depending on the kind of video you want to go viral. Okay, so most of these things have to do with US. Now look at this. This is the lady Greta Thunberg 2019, she was the one that was saying, "How dare you," about climate change. Turns out that there was an old picture where somebody looks almost exactly like her. Went viral because what? She has already gone viral because of the climate change speech that she gave. All right. All right. So let's look at another series of pictures. This one went viral because there's a sign that does this, and this guy went and recreated it. Yeah. Now, this one gives me the opportunity to talk about something. The pictures that people click on mostly on the internet are pictures that arouse curiosity. Even if you make a video, the thumbnail of that video should look something like a danger is about to happen. Something is about to happen. Any picture that says 1 second to disaster. You understand? So if you, instead of, let's say you did a tutorial about how to climb down the staircase properly. And in the tutorial, the video, the picture that is showing before people click play on the video is just somebody climbing down the staircase. No, just very few people will click on it. So, but if you show a video of somebody about to fall on the staircase and then the person is like, yeah, then you snap. You understand? Or a woman carrying a child and the child is falling off her hand. All right, you could use a doll baby, something like that is falling off her hand and she's trying to catch the child. Midway, if you snap that picture, you'll be surprised that could make the difference between 2,000 views on YouTube or Facebook to 20 million views. All right, so the picture matters. Now, one thing you can do is to make sure that the picture shows up somewhere in the video. All right, make sure that the picture shows somewhere in the video there is a woman that you are using to demonstrate, and maybe you're using a doll baby and the baby falls off, and then people now realize, oh, it's not actually a real baby. That's called clickbaiting, but you can do it in such a way that is not bad. Clickbaiting can be good and bad. All right, so the picture that shows before people can click a video matters just as much as the video itself, even when you're uploading something on Instagram. All right, let's look at this. This is Pastor Bushiri. Okay, this is an advert. Oh, sorry. So I think that kind of sums it up for this. The pictures that went viral, 2 pictures. I'm gonna stop here. All right. Those are the things. One more thing I can advise is that if you see a video going viral, study why it's going viral and try to replicate it. All right. Mostly, if you don't know how to create a viral video, try and create a comedy skit. It always works. Comedies work always. Create a comedy skit. So in the next video, I'm going to show you a chart, all right, an Excel sheet so that you can use. So this is another link showing a viral video, Darth Vader on wheels. If you don't know Darth Vader, then no need for me to explain. It's a Star Wars character. They built a special kind of car for him and it went viral because there are a lot of Star Wars fans in the world. So the reason people were sharing it because of what? Cause or solidarity. So there is a whole world on fire and then there are 2 animals trapped. Fine. Alright, so you can go around, Google viral videos. I'll try to provide a link in the course so you can watch some viral videos and get an idea of what a viral video should look like. Look at this. Okay, so these are samples of pictures that have gone viral. All right, there are many of them. Just go to Google, type pictures that have gone viral, or check in this tutorial. I'll provide links to viral videos and pictures.